Vegan dogs are healthy, vegan dogs are happy, vegan dogs can thrive. Vegan dogs are healthy, vegan dogs are happy, so why pay for murder? Keep all the animals alive. It's not food, it's violence. All the animals wanted to live. It's not food, it's violence. Choose something else instead. Love animals, eat plants. Be brave, be kind, be loved. Be vegan.
Class notes. Page 1. That Vegan Teacher's School. Read with me. Vegans try to prevent animal cruelty. Everyone was born vegan, but many people have forgotten that deep in their hearts, they never wanted to hurt animals. Vegans are nice people who try hard not to eat, wear, or use animals for food, clothing, or entertainment. Do you avoid eating meat, dairy, eggs, honey, or anyone who had a mother, a face, or a will to live? Vegans try to be morally consistent by protecting animals instead of paying people to kill them. And you? Class notes, page 2, That Vegan Teacher's School. Vegans don't buy animal products. Vegans are trying to do the least harm. Since we live near stores, we have a moral responsibility to avoid buying animal products. Instead, we can simply purchase cruelty-free, healthy, whole vegan foods, such as lentils, black beans, kidney beans, chickpeas, rice, oats, bread, pasta, carrots, potatoes, cabbage, kale, spinach, broccoli, peppers, squash, tofu, zucchini, aubergines, cauliflower, onions, tomatoes, celery, spices, apples, bananas, pears, pineapples, kiwis, grapes, berries, walnuts, peanuts, dates, flax seeds, chia seeds, sunflower seeds, and pumpkin seeds, to name just a few. Which of these do you eat?
Chia seeds have omega-3. Come on, sing this song with me. Chia seeds have omega-3. Grind them up and sing yippee as you see them in your pancakes, your oatmeal, and in your daily smoothie. It's not food, it's violence. All the animals wanted to live. It's not food, it's violence. Choose something else instead. Dance with me, baby, a vegan world is coming, a vegan world is coming soon. Dance with me, baby, a vegan world is coming, a vegan world is coming soon. Animals are innocent, like children. They need protection. Save them now, save them now. Check the label, check the label, check the label. If it's vegan, it's okay. Check the label, check the label. If it's vegan, the animals will say, hooray!
Class notes, page 4, That Vegan Teacher School. Being vegan is great for your health. According to the Academy of Nutrition and Dietetics, vegans are less likely to develop heart disease, cancer, diabetes, and high blood pressure than meat eaters are. Vegans get all the nutrients they need to be healthy, such as plant protein, fiber, and minerals, without all the nasty stuff in meat that may slow you down and make you sick, such as cholesterol and saturated animal fat.
Dance with me, baby. A vegan world is coming. A vegan world is coming soon. Dance with me, baby. A vegan world is coming. A vegan world is coming soon.
Class notes, page 5, That Vegan Teacher School. All good people are vegan. To call yourself a good person, you have to try to do good things. To live ethically, you cannot justify eating any dairy products which cause so much suffering. Paying people to steal from or murder animals when grocery stores have thousands of other options is mean and wrong. That's why good people prefer to be vegan instead. When will your Happy Vegan Declaration Day be?
Wash away your old life, be vegan today. Jump into your new life, it's the only way. Wash away your old life, be vegan today. Welcome to heaven on earth. Happy Vegan Declaration Day. It's not food, it's violence. All the animals wanted to live. It's not food, it's violence. Choose something else instead. Check the label, check the label, check the label. If it's vegan, it's okay. Check the label, check the label. If it's vegan, the animals will say, hooray!
Class notes, page 6, That Vegan Teacher School. If you're not vegan, you're an animal abuser. Facts. If you pay people to kill dogs so you can buy dog meat burgers in the grocery store, you're a dog abuser. If you pay people to kill cows so you can buy cow meat burgers at McDonald's, you're an animal abuser. To stop being an animal abuser, ask for vegan options with vegan mayo and vegan cheese instead. Okay, a quick break. We're gonna go and eat this delicious, fantastic nice cream. This is 100% made with whole foods. No sugars, no fat, nothing. The ingredients are frozen bananas, put into a blender with strawberries, and inside there is a tablespoon of flax seeds, which ends up giving you extra omega-3 fatty acids. Tastes just sort of like a cone almost. You know how cones have that sort of wheat type flavor to them? So this is what we're eating right now. Thanks a lot for joining us, and don't forget that it's so easy to be vegan and to be healthy as a vegan as well. Hello students! Welcome back to our lesson. This part of the class, we are in a grocery store. So we're looking at class notes, page 7, That Vegan Teacher School. The title is Vegans Make Kind Choices. If you buy non-vegan cheese, you're paying someone to rape mother cows, force them to be pregnant, kidnap their babies, steal their milk, and kill the male calves because they're considered to be useless in the industry. To make kind choices, you can eat vegan cheese or simply eat no cheese at all. You can also choose vegan milk, like oat milk or soy milk, for your cereal.
Vegan cheese, vegan cheese, vegan cheese is tasty. Vegan cheese, vegan cheese, vegan cheese is cruelty-free. Go to YouTube and Google dairy is scary. Stop stealing milk from baby cows. Be vegan and make the animals happy. Check the label, check the label, check the label. If it's vegan, it's okay. Check the label, check the label. If it's vegan, the animals will say, hooray! I'm always in the mood to save animals and eat delicious vegan food. I'm always in the mood to save animals and eat delicious vegan food.
Hello students, welcome back to class. We are on class notes page 8, That Vegan Teacher School. Let's read together. Vegans make compassionate choices. If you buy non-vegan milk, you're paying someone to rape mother cows, force them to be pregnant, kidnap their babies, steal their milk, and kill the male calves because they're considered to be useless in the industry. To make the most compassionate choice, you can choose plant-based milks instead. Have you tried oat or soy milk yet? To learn more, Google healthy vegan milks.
Drink soy milk, oat milk, rice milk, almond milk. Don't steal milk from a cow. Be vegan, start right now. Follow that vegan teacher, she will show you how. Hashtag TikTok should be vegan. Only vegan foods allowed on screen. TikTok should be vegan. No more animals being cooked on screen. TikTok, please don't be mean.